Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook another very simple dish, canned tuna with coconut milk and malunggay, okay? So we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, coco mama, coconut milk, and then the malunggay, the canned tuna, and then garlic, tomatoes, onions, spring onions, and ginger. We're gonna saute the garlic. I just add a little oil because we're gonna add coconut milk, so that's why. Okay, and then the onions, the tomatoes, and the ginger. And then guys, we're gonna add the tuna. Soy sauce, black pepper, a pinch of salt, so we just add like that first because our corn is not so much, so just half of the coco mama. Okay, and we're gonna let it boil and we add the malunggay when it's boiled already. Okay, that one, our canned tuna and the coconut milk is already boiled, so we're gonna add the malunggay. Okay, so let's try to take. Okay guys, so it's done. This is our ginisang canned tuna with coconut milk and malunggay. So this is canned tuna with coconut milk and malunggay. It's done and it's super yummy. Okay, so that's our canned tuna with coconut milk. It's done. Okay, so it's tasting time. It's okay. It's good already because I add a little salt. Okay guys, so that's our canned tuna with coconut milk and malunggay. It's super yummy guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D-Bro-Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.